The first thing that comes to mind when I think about Elevate Capital is diversity and inclusivity and opportunity. Opportunity really for me as an investor to access a portfolio of companies that really is not accessible through other funds.
Elevate is so different from all the other capital companies that I've come into contact with because at the core, they support underrepresented founders. That mission drives them to look deeper into companies that oftentimes are overlooked, like ours and many others that are very successful companies. And they take that extra minute to understand underrepresented founders and make the impactful investment into those companies.
Elevate's been nothing but a joy to work with, and they've always given us very sound advice. It feels like they're a true partner.
The first thing that comes to mind when I think of Elevate Capital is Nitin Rai. Nitin was my mentor, my first boss really. He invested in Globe Sherpa, the first startup that I began in Portland in 2012. Nitin was a guiding force. He was a tough love kind of guy. And he helped me develop, I think, a level of interest, sophistication, and development in startups that to this day has really blossomed.
What stood out to me when I decided to invest in Elevate was their focus on founders. Being a founder of a company myself, I know that founders are really pivotal in making a company succeed, and they determine whether the company succeeds or fails.
Elevate has definitely supported us more than just capital. We've run into so many challenges as a startup over the last 15 years. Counsel of what not to do, introductions to the right folks from supply chain to other investors and other finance support and advisory. They've really come a long way, and they're not just any normal fund.
So this is a really cool and kind of fun chance to get in front of people in person. It's such a different way to connect. You really get a lot more out of it. And so it's fun to meet the people that are involved, behind the scenes, putting the money in.
Elevate's legacy to me is growing a strong entrepreneurial community, changing the lives of those entrepreneurs, and changing the lives of the investors as well by allowing them to help those communities grow, as well as allowing those investors to learn how to invest.
How would I describe Elevate's legacy? True to their word. I think staying with founders, staying with companies through the hard times, supporting them when they need it the most, I think is what will prove their true success in the long run.